Right, I added a bit more color here. Here we're kind of blue and kind of, I don't know what color that is, kind of somewhere between pink and warm brown. Blouse here, I give the doll a greenish cover or whatever, blanket. And kind of yellowish, brownish, warm brown hair. All right, so next I have to decide what I'm going to be drawing all around here. There may be some text in there relating to Trump, his supporters, and his unrepentant birther race hate campaign, which all of his supporters embrace, especially the Ku Klux Klan. And I'm probably going to have at least one, maybe more allegorical sea monsters in here. All right, to be continued. Thanks, Bridges. Appreciate your feedback.